Even while in hiding, Edward Snowden and his massive security leaks continue to wreak havoc on the U.S. government. A new report suggests the National Security Agency broke the rules thousands of times, violating Americans' privacy in regards to phone calls and email. Most of the time it wasn't intentional, a point unlikely to make much difference to many. The CBC's Carolyn Dunn has the latest on this from Washington. Carolyn?
Well, Ian, there are rules that make it illegal for the U.S. government to spy on its own citizens. And today, more evidence those rules are being broken. It's another damning headline for the NSA. The Washington Post reports the security agency broke privacy rules thousands of times a year since at least 2008.
The idea that we're going to just spy on every single American, do things that we never believed in as a country, is not going to make us safer in the long run.
Some infractions were inadvertent, like the large number of phone calls mistakenly intercepted because a programming error mixed up the area code for Washington, 202, with the country code for Egypt, 20. Others were more serious, including what's called the unauthorized use of data of more than 3,000 U.S. citizens and green card holders.
We've also found cases in which the NSA reported to no one because there are a lot of complicated rules about what to report and to whom to report it, and they've found some fairly significant incidents in which they didn't think they had to tell anyone.
Including Congress. It never received a copy of the NSA audit. It came from Edward Snowden, the former NSA contractor who's now holed up somewhere in Russia to avoid espionage charges in the U.S.
While they may be intending to target someone associated with a foreign government or someone that they suspect of terrorism, they're collecting your communications to do so.
The Obama administration and the NSA defended its surveillance programs for months, then last week changed tact. With personal assurances from the president, there will be changes, including more oversight.
America is not interested in spying on ordinary people. The lies are so deep.
A reaction perhaps to public opinion polls that reveal with each expose, U.S. citizens are becoming more concerned with civil liberties. So there were more government assurances today.
They are committed to being transparent about these programs, making sure we're sharing as much information as possible.
And as for the NSA, Ian, well, it issued a mea culpa of sorts, a statement that when it does make a mistake, it aggressively gets to the bottom of it.
Thanks, Carolyn.